In this video, we'll cover column replacement for the SlimRack slide-out system. The tools required for this procedure include a cordless drill, bits appropriate to your installation's hardware, a floor jack, and a set of needle nose pliers. From the interior of the coach, with the room fully retracted, remove the screws mounting both the top and bottom end brackets to the slide-out room. Extend the room halfway out, then support it with a floor jack. Unplug the motor harness from the motor. Outside of the coach, remove the mounting screws attaching both end brackets to the slide room. Then remove the screws holding the column to the unit. Carefully pull the column assembly free of the coach's wall. Install the new column by sliding it into place against the wall of the unit. Align the pre-drilled holes in the flange to the holes in the wall, then install the mounting screws. Reinstall the exterior end brackets to the slide-out room. From the coach's interior, connect the motor to the motor harness. Then remove the floor jack. Retract the room completely. Then install the screws mounting the interior end brackets to the slide-out wall, both top and bottom, to complete the column replacement procedure.